How to book 2 to 5 qualified calls a day with less than 900 subscribers. In this video, I want to go through exactly how you can do that with less than 900 subscribers, okay? And I can say this because one of my clients made 6.5k with just 7 subscribers on YouTube. 7 subscribers, that's insane, okay? So yeah, you're going to be able to book these calls without sending cold messages, without having to go viral. That's key because a lot of you go wrong and try and go viral within your content if you've already started your personal brand, and that's why you're not getting clients, and also without having to spam short form content. But by now you should know the only thing you truly need to succeed in 2024 is simply some sort of social media presence. That's literally it. Some sort of social media presence is all you need to succeed in 2024. You need attention, you need the right attention, you need to convert that attention, and a personal brand builds trust and credibility and will get you clients on literally autopilot, okay? And you need a niche following of people who know, like, and trust you, okay? If you have this, you'll be booking calls every single day and you will be attracting dream clients, okay? But a lot of you start your personal brand and start to go wrong and just start spamming short form content. And what you need to realize is trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something, okay? You need their trust, okay? And if someone does not trust you, they're not going to buy from you. Simple as that. Spamming short form content will not get you paid, and it definitely will not build up trust, okay? So you spamming short form content all the time, you posting short form videos 2, 3, 4 times a day is not going to attract your dream client, okay? You're just going to get attention. And the reason why as well, and I see this with most people I work with, they struggle to come up with content ideas is because they're focused on coming up with the next viral content idea, and that's actually stopping them from speaking directly to their ideal client, reaching their ideal client, and actually attracting them to their page, okay? So don't try and go viral. Don't think of the next viral idea. Just speak directly to your ideal client, okay? First of all, you just need to start if you haven't already, you just need to start your personal brand before anything, okay? If you do not start posting now, well, you're simply going to get left behind and you're not going to get any clients. So you just need to start posting content, okay? And this will get the attention onto you and your offer, because if you don't have any attention, well, you're not going to be able to get any clients, are you, okay? If you have no attention onto you and your offer, you're going to have no one to pitch your offer to, okay? You're going to have no one. And that means you're not going to make any money, and that means you're not going to have any clients, etc. Okay, so just start posting content, like even on Instagram to start off with, just short form content. I know I said about short form content, but just build up your organic foundation first, and then you can actually start the next stage of your funnel, which is building up trust. And again, you cannot do this through 30 to 60 second clips. Like, you should only be using short form content to get attention onto you and your offer, okay? It just doesn't build up the trust needed to convert a prospect from cold to paying client, okay? And there's one rule you need to truly understand about this, okay? So you need to understand the 7-hour rule, and the core premise of that rule is that it takes 7 hours of interaction between a lead and a company to build up the necessary trust, understanding, and desire to want to buy your product or service. So basically, someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you, okay? And if we work out the numbers behind that, it would take 420 videos for someone to build up that 7 hours of trust if you're posting short form 60-second clips. So basically, it doesn't work that well, okay? So if you'll be posting for a year and a half just to convert one client into a bit of money. No thank you, okay? We want clients coming to us every single day. We want people to book in calls with us every single day, okay? And that's why YouTube is the best platform to be on, okay? You can build up trust with just 21 videos on YouTube. You post 20-minute long videos, 21 of them, and you're going to get clients, okay? Long form content builds up trust because they're seeing you for a longer period of time, okay? So these people are watching you. Like, you're watching me right now, you're seeing me for a longer period of time, and that's important to realize and know, because again, the 7-hour rule comes into play, and someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours. Okay, so they're going to be seeing your face, and to get someone to buy from you, all you really need to do is get in front of their face 24/7. Like, remind them of you 24/7. Keep on getting in front of their face. Keep on making sure they see you every single day. So your trust building stage should be YouTube. So you should get attention through short form content, lead everyone to YouTube to build up trust. And you can also throw in a bit of emails too, to hit them from another angle. So within your short form content, what you can do is at the end of some of your call to actions, you can say, comment a keyword, I'll send you over a free training. And then you can link ManyChat with that, and ManyChat will send them over a free training, and it will also grab their email, and it will add it to your email list. So you can send email campaigns to those people just to hit them from another angle and to build up trust with them from another angle too. And here's exactly what I would do and what I do and what my clients do. Okay, so what they do is run a simple Instagram ad to get ideal attention onto them and their offer. This costs like $15 to $30 a day, and you can target your ideal client. You don't have to rely on the algorithm, which is so good. And then you can use that attention and build up trust with it through longer form videos. So lead that attention to longer form videos, build up trust through longer form videos, and then get book calls on a daily basis. So they're going to watch your long form videos. They're not going to invest until they're ready. So they're going to build up that 7 hours and then book in a call with you, which is amazing. Okay. So this is the funnel that I would implement if I was you. It's called the Magnify Your Content funnel. This will get ideal clients onto your page and actually convert them into paying clients on literally autopilot. Okay, so let's run through this real quick. So it's really simple funnel. As you can see, not a lot of steps. But what you're going to do is you're going to post organic content on Instagram. Okay, and you're going to build up your organic foundation first. Have at least a few pieces of content with organic. In some of your videos, you're going to say at the end, comment the word keyword, I'll send you over a free training, etc. And this is going to grab people's emails where you can send them email campaigns. You're also going to run a simple ad on Instagram to Instagram profile visit ad to get attention onto you and your offer, and most importantly, to get the right attention. You're going to run that. It's going to lead people to your Instagram profile. They're going to get nurtured by your organic content, okay? And then they're going to get intrigued for more and move over to your YouTube. And the first YouTube video they'll ever see, because it will be in the link in your Instagram bio, will probably be your video sales letter. And this video sales letter is going to convince people to buy from you, basically, okay? It's going to convince people to book in a call and buy from you, and people are going to book in calls from this video sales letter. But it doesn't matter if people do not book in calls, because remember the 7-hour rule. They're not just going to watch one YouTube video and convert. They may do, who knows. But YouTube's algorithm is so good that they're just going to keep on getting retargeted by your YouTube content. So what you should do is post 1 to 3 YouTube videos a week, and they should keep on getting retargeted by those videos. They should keep on posting them. They should keep on going onto their feed. They're going to keep on watching them. They're going to build up that 7 hours slowly but surely. But what you need to realize is most people come into your audience and then they don't buy for another 1 to 3 to 6 months. And that's why it takes time to build up that 7 hours, and YouTube will do it faster. Okay, but it's still not going to be like straight away people booking in calls. Okay, most people buy 1 to 3 months down the line. Okay, so YouTube's going to keep on retargeting them. Email, again, you can keep on retargeting them. With email, you can keep on emailing them with clients' results, just value, speaking about your offer, offering your offer and everything like that. And what you can also do is have conversations. So anyone who interacts with your short form content, what you can simply do is just have conversations with them. Okay, you can see where they're at right now, see where they want to get to, see what's stopping them from getting there, and just literally simply booking calls from conversations. And if they don't seem interested, send them back over to your YouTube to get nurtured. Really simple. Okay, and all of this is just going to book in calls. But when people try and book in calls, they're going to get hit with a book a call form. And this book a call form is going to go through some qualification questions, so you're only going to get qualified book calls. If you see one question that's not like, oh, okay, this means he's not qualified or she's not qualified, you don't have to hop on a call with them. And that's amazing, because you're only going to get qualified book calls, as I said. And what you're also going to have after that, because I know for most of you, your show up rate is just not good. Okay, so you're booking calls, no one shows up. You're going to have a pre-call sequence, and this is going to remind people to show up the call and also send them videos along the way to nurture them and build up trust. It's going to send them your video sales letter. It's going to send them a video going through all your clients' results so they don't have that question on the call and everything like that, okay? And you're going to hop on these calls. They're literally going to ask a few questions and then say, send the invoice. So this is the magnify your content funnel. This is the funnel you need to grow your coaching or agency offer to new heights, 100%. Okay, you need this. I'm telling you right now, this is the best funnel you could implement. Gets targeted attention onto you and your offer, builds up trust with that attention, and it converts that attention. Okay, and guys, this will not only get the right attention onto you and your offer, but it will actually convert it into qualified book calls. Okay, this is the funnel you need to get more coaching or agency client. It's the best content funnel out there, and it will literally work on autopilot for you. No having to send cold messages every single day, no having to spam short form content, just one simple ad to your Instagram page, to your YouTube, and then those people get nurtured until they're ready to convert into cash. Okay, so if you're an online coach or agency and you want to get your next 5 high-paying dream clients without sending cold messages and without spamming short-form content, but with an audience of less than 10k followers, book in a call with the first link in the description and we can speak in more detail about how I could potentially help you implement this funnel. So what you're going to do is go down to my video. As you can see here, you're going to click on more, and then you're going to go to Calendly, and then boom. You can simply book in a call whenever you can. And yeah, hope you got some value from this video. Hope you understand that you need some sort of personal brand to succeed in 2024. If you don't have one, you're just going to get beaten by all the competition. So yeah, if you're interested in that offer, book in a call. And yeah, just keep watching my content, subscribe, everything like that. Check out the first pinned comment and it will have a bunch of free trainings in there, which you can watch. And yeah, hope you got some value from this. Thanks guys for watching, subscribe, everything like that, and peace.